Hey ladies and gentlemen, well I got home and I tried to start the vacuum and I kept getting a lid needs to be closed error. So I kept trying to close it. It's happened before, but I was able to correct it after opening and closing the lid. This time it did not happen. So after looking on YouTube and seeing different videos, nothing really helped. A guy even talked about putting some soldering, adding some drops right there. I did not go that route, actually. So what I did do, it seemed to be fixed, is I just took a precision screwdriver, came up under here, and pulled these up just a little bit. I did pull this one up completely, and then pushed it back down. It seemed to work and still make contact. So don't pull it up all the way, but just lift them up just a little bit. That should raise them up enough to make contact. At least it's worked for me so far. So I will give that a shot. Let's see if it gives me that error. Okay, I think we're good. So try that, hopefully that helps. See you later.